Negotiations continue between the National Water Commission and the 5 unions representing workers at the state utility company. This after more than 2,000 workers took industrial action on Tuesday, demanding action on their long-standing wage review. The Ministry of Labour advised late Tuesday evening that the dispute remained unresolved. On Wednesday, there was still no water in customers' taps. Our news team visited an NWC site to hear what the workers have to say.
We are tired of the situation, what we are facing in NWC. The government, the head, they are not doing anything for us. We are way behind peer. We are far away behind everybody. You understand? We are working for nothing. We're not seeing nothing where we forget benefit, we are not getting. If we don't come out here and try to fight out here to get our benefit, we are not going to reach anywhere in NWC. You understand? We are back. We are fighting for reclassification all along. And all we are here is promising and promising. No, it's too many promising in everything that we shall get.
Look here, water the most essential thing in the country. Right? And you have a water minister. So why we don't fall under that? We are not idiots and we are not fools. We need justice.
We want our money. We need to know what is on the table if we're going to get our reclass money. Because everything, cost of living, as you know, is out of our reach right now. Gas prices up, food prices up. You have families where you have to sustain your family. That can't do with the pay we have right now. So we need justice. We need more money. Give us more money. That's all we're asking for.
Arising from the strike at the NWC, several schools will be closed on Wednesday due to lack of water. In the corporate area, St. Hugh's High School for Girls informed parents on Tuesday that students will revert to online classes for the rest of the week. This was also the case in St. Catherine at St. Jago High School. Meanwhile, the National Water Commission, NWC, is encouraging customers to immediately settle their outstanding bills as it prepares to package and sell its debt to a collection agency. Senior Public Relations and Marketing Officer at the utility company, Siddiqui Brooks, says customers should contact the agency within 30 days of receiving a sale debt notice. Failure to do so will equate to customers consenting to the sale. She says the NWC is willing to work out payment arrangements with these customers who are not able to pay their balances in full. The NWC continues to see a high level of delinquency in settling outstanding water bills despite an increase in collection in 2021.